Welcome to Portside Renewables, where we're harnessing the power of the sun to create a brighter, cleaner future for our communities. As a locally owned and operated company, we're committed to strengthening local ties and supporting sustainable development right here in our backyard. As one of the leading local solar power installation and service companies, we're committed to providing sustainable energy solutions for homes and businesses on the South Coast and beyond. With a passion for innovation and a commitment to environmental stewardship, our team of skilled professionals combine cutting-edge technology with a personalized approach, ensuring tailored solutions that maximize energy efficiency and return on investment. With Portside Renewables, you can trust that your energy needs are in good hands. Our consultants provide honest advice and never employ high-pressure sales tactics. At Portside Renewables, we don't just install solar panels, we empower our clients to embrace a cleaner, greener future and take charge of their energy security.